We're talking garbage disposals today. We're actually going to grind and give you the insight on what garbage disposal will give you the best bang for your buck. And let's do that right now. So what we've done is we've set up shop here. We've taken standard kitchen sinks with standard faucets. It's gonna provide the same amount of flow in order to properly do the garbage disposal testing. More importantly, let's go down under. So right here, guys, we have 3 different garbage disposals. We're not gonna reveal the brand names, the cost, any of the manufacturer specs on them yet. We're going until we do the test. We got to do the test. Exactly. So let's go over to the food that most people put down a garbage disposal. So being a plumber for 30 years, we've picked out the most popular food items that we've seen in the garage clog up those garbage disposal and those drains, such as potato peels, banana peels, even hot dogs, grease, tomatoes, fish bones. What about the eggs? Some chicken, and these big potatoes, even some celery sticks. In order to accurately test these garbage disposals, what we're gonna do is equally disperse the food in each of these buckets. Let's do that now. 1 fish head, chicken. The worst right here is potato peels and carrot peels. 1 hand there. Get some tomatoes, 1 banana peel. How many eggs, Dave? 2 eggs. Couple of wieners, some corn, orange peels. People always put orange peels in. Yeah, handful of that. Cucumbers, handful of lettuce. A little bit more potato peels. Chicharrones. I love chicharrones. Look, cut. Let's get going. So we forgot the coffee. There's a lot of coffee drinkers out there, so make sure you put enough. Yeah, one of the biggest stoppages we get is we get a lot of coffee stuck in those 2-inch lines. Oh, you know what? We also need to add some Cisco. Oh yeah. Look at that, folks. Actually looks pretty good. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Tossing that salad. Tossing it. Some fish, chickens. Come over here. We got to do the same thing so we don't have any. I don't know, guys. This might be tough on any garbage disposal. Guys, I know we're over-exaggerating here, and we understand that garbage disposals aren't a food processor, but you'd be amazed on some of the calls that we've been to where we've had to unclog and unjam garbage disposals because of the amount of food. We're just kind of giving you a visual so you can make that educated decision on what's best for you. What garbage disposal is able to take on the amount of abuse before it just fails. Let's go ahead now. We'll start right here by introducing water and pushing this down the first garbage disposal. There goes the fish head. We're almost to the end here. If you're a plumber, you might recognize the sound of that particular garbage disposal. But look at, folks, it took it all out. Garbage disposal number 2. Here goes the fish head.
that was pretty quick.
Pretty fast.
Garbage disposal number 3.
There goes the fish head.
Coming to the end. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
That's pretty impressive.
Yep. God, you can feel the Crisco grease in that. All right, so what we're gonna do now is set these white towels up, and each garbage disposal, we're gonna take the grinds just to see how small and see if there's a difference with each garbage disposal on the size of the grind. The reason why that's important is because this is what clogs the drain if a garbage disposal doesn't grind. And as you can see, these are pretty close.
Very close.
It feels about the same.
Add a little bit more water on this one here. This is actually chunkier, Dave. Look at that. Look at the bigger chunks. Look at the bigger chunks. Right there.
Look at that.
It's part of the fish.
Yep. And then you look at over here. This seems a little bit softer.
Yeah, this is mushier. You're
mushier, right?
I agree.
And then let's go to number 3. It's actually even about the same.
No,
Yeah.
this has a little bit more grit to it. This one definitely is mushier. Kind of like an oatmeal cream of wheat. All right, so garbage disposal number 1 was the standard series of the InSinkErator, and that's a half horse, comes with a 3-year warranty. I gotta say, I was pretty impressed. Before we actually started with this one, I thought, uh-oh, this one's gonna have some struggle, but Badger 5 actually did pretty good. Pretty good.
And this is gonna be the most popular garbage disposal by far.
Yep.
The cons on this, it's not gonna be stainless steel.
It's gonna be noisier.
Yep, it's gonna be noisier, and it's gonna have a tendency to rust, especially if you're using drain chemicals and a lot of bleaches. It's not gonna last as long.
Yeah, that's why they give that 3-year warranty. Garbage disposal number 2, I gotta say, I was pretty impressed.
Oh, this thing just took that stuff so fast. It was quiet. Again, you're gonna spend more money, but stainless steel, it's gonna be quiet.
Yep.
You do get I think it's the 8-year warranty on that. So
yeah, if you do a lot of cooking and you're using a lot of grease and you're a chef, you know, this definitely 1 horse is the way to go.
That's right. And then the last one was the Pro Series, the Pro 750. This is a real popular garbage disposal, and in fact, I was really impressed, especially when I'm a plumber and seeing the difference between these 3. I really, really like this one. It's quiet. It's going to be less expensive than the 1 horse power garbage disposal, but I think for the bang for your buck, this would be the best investment.
Yeah. For me, I like quiet, and the double sound seal that they've incorporated in the 750 series is pretty awesome. So
yeah,
I don't know. I think we'd give Pro 750 2 thumbs up.
Hey guys, if you like this video, please leave your comments. Let us know what garbage disposal you like, and make sure you hit that subscribe button.
And we'll see you on the next one.